Ramani Mohan was working in the police department in his village at the time of his marriage. Right after he lost his job many years later, while talking about the different professions for men, Srima had said that there were some which easily added to the burden of karma. The polishing of other fellows' creatures was difficult without giving way to the harsher qualities of human nature. Doctors and lawyers also earned their wages out of the misery of people. She did not minimize the important side of rendering help to those who need it most. Endemic to these professions, she meant to say that the pitfalls loomed larger for these men than, say, those who were in the teaching profession. So perhaps after being married to Nirmala, Ramani Mohan could not have continued in his job. He remained without one for some time. He left his village and went to Dhaka to look for work. In Dhaka, he stayed with his sister and her husband Rajendra Kushari, doing something or other till he found a permanent job as law clerk in the settlement department of the estates of the Nawab of Dhaka at Astgram in 1913. After almost 4 years of his marriage, his next brother, a little older to him, Surendra Mohan, was also married at about the same time. His bride Nirmala and Surendra Mohan's bride Prafulla were nearly the same age. The time drew near for both these girls to be received in their new household. Ramani Mohan's eldest brother, Revati Mohan, was now the head of the house because their father had passed away sometime after the brothers' marriage. Their mother was already no more. Revati Mohan had two other brothers, Kamini Kumar and Jamini Kumar. Kamini Kumar had gone away from his village and nobody knew where he was. It was rumored that he had converted to Christianity. Jamini Kumar was a small boy at this time. He had three more sisters apart from the two already mentioned. We mention all these names because this large family, scattered all over the country, was brought together again by Srima in later years in Dhaka. She even invited the youngest sister whom the others had not seen for 19 years. The brother who had become a Christian and a clergyman, the Reverend K.K. Chakrabarti, also came with his non-Bengali wife to meet his other brothers and sisters and their families. His brother and Sima stayed at the Calcutta residence many times.